Solving one-step equations, mixed. Here are 4 one-step equations to solve. I will solve the first 2, and you can have a go at the second 2, using my working out to help you. Question A. 9 plus A equals 17. We want A on its own, so we need to do the inverse of adding 9. So we subtract 9 from each side. We get A equals 17, take away 9. So we know A equals 8. Remember, you can check your answer by substituting your value back in. So 9 plus A, our 8, equals 17. Fab. Question B. B take away 8.4 equals 1.2. Again, we want B on its own, so we need to do the inverse of subtracting 8.4, which is adding 8.4 to each side. B equals 1.2 plus 8.4, so we find out B is 9.6. It is now your turn to try C and D. Pause the video now. Let's check your answers for questions C and D. 12 plus C equals 23. We do the inverse of adding 12, so take 12 from each side, and you get C equals 11. 2.3 equals D take away 1.5. Don't worry about the unknown being on the right-hand side of the equal sign. If you like, you can rewrite like this. D minus 1.5 equals 2.3. It's the same thing. So, we have to add 1.5 to both sides, and we get 2.3 plus 1.5 equals D. So we know D is 3.8. Here are our last 4 one-step equations. Again, I will do E and F, and then you can have a go at G and H. Question E. 8E equals 48. We want to do the inverse of multiplying by 8, so we divide by 8 on both sides, and we find E equals 6. Question F. F divided by 5 equals negative 3. We want to do the inverse of dividing by 5, so we multiply both sides by 5 and get F equals negative 15. Now it's your turn. Pause the video now. Let's check your answers. Question G. 30 equals 5t. We do the inverse of multiplying by 5 on both sides, so we divide by 5 and find 6 equals t. Question H. K divided by 9 equals 4. We do the inverse of dividing by 9 and multiply each side by 9 to find K equals 36. Well done.